Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Chordnificent back here with your guitar interpretations, and today we're doing So Done by Alicia Keys and Khalid. It's a pretty simple song actually, just 4 basic chords, and I'm gonna show you those. Just make sure your guitar's in standard tuning and put your cap on fret number 3. Okay, so the chords are E minor to E, and then C to A minor. Okay, now here's how we're playing the chords to get the exact melody from the song. You're playing E minor first, but for E minor you're only plucking strings 6, 3, 2. Sorry, 5, 3, 2. 5, 3, 2. Okay, so that's twice, and then we go to E, the major chord, right? And for E we're only holding the first fret of string number 3 and playing the bass note, string number 6. So now we're playing 6, 4, 3, right? Okay, so E minor, then we go to E, then we go to C. Now for C, I want you to hammer on 3rd fret of string number 1 to get that note from G. Okay, so that sounds like, right? You can strum it or pluck it twice. When you're plucking strings 5, 3, 2, 1. 5, 3, 2, 1. And then we go to A minor. Now for A minor, we're playing the strings 5, 4, 3, 2. So that's pluck, 5, pluck, okay? Just like that. So let's go again. E minor to E, C to A minor, C, okay? So that's the pattern that we're using. It's E minor, E, C, A minor, and then we go again to E minor, E, and then C. I'm living the life that I want. I'm living the life that I want. I'm living the life that I want. You see that? So the first time you go E minor, E, C, A minor, and then you go again E minor, E, C to conclude. And that's it for your verse, your chorus, basically the whole song. So that's it for this tutorial, guys. If you're not familiar with the chords that I'm using, you can check out my chord video. It's on this channel. If you can't find it, just let me know. I will link it in the comment section. Otherwise, do subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Leave a like and share the video if it helped you. Peace.